Are you trying to figure out which software is better for estimating and takeoff, Fieldwire versus Esticom? Well, in this video, I'm going to compare both of them to help you make the best choice. But stick around till the end, because I'll also reveal a better alternative that you might want to consider. Let's dive in and start with the first thing you need to know, Fieldwire. This software is often favored for its project management capabilities. It helps teams stay organized with tasks, plans, and project updates. But when it comes to estimating and takeoff specifically, Fieldwire isn't built to handle these tasks as seamlessly as others. Sure, you can upload drawings and do some basic measurements, but the estimating features are pretty limited, and the takeoff tools are more of an afterthought. Next thing, let's talk about Esticom. This one is a bit more specialized for estimating and takeoff. With Esticom, you get a cloud-based solution that's specifically designed for construction professionals who need accurate estimates fast. It allows you to perform digital takeoffs directly from your plans, and the platform integrates well with other accounting and project management tools. However, while it's great for these functions, some users find the learning curve steep, especially if you're new to construction estimating software. Plus, it's not as intuitive for teams who need to manage tasks or collaborate in the field. The third thing to consider is integration. Fieldwire does offer some integration with other software like Procore, but the compatibility with estimating tools is not as robust as Esticom. Esticom, on the other hand, shines when it comes to integration with accounting and project management systems that construction teams already use. The ability to integrate seamlessly with tools like QuickBooks and Sage really makes it stand out, but it might not be as versatile as Fieldwire for managing projects and team communication in the field. The fourth thing you need to think about is user-friendliness. Fieldwire is known for its simple, user-friendly interface, especially for those managing construction projects on site. It's easy to access blueprints, assign tasks, and monitor project progress. But if you're looking for software to handle accurate and detailed takeoff and estimating work, the learning curve with Esticom might actually be worth it. While Esticom might take a little longer to get the hang of, it's designed to give you powerful and accurate estimates that will save you time in the long run. The fifth thing is the pricing. Fieldwire offers a free version with basic features, but to get more robust capabilities, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Esticom doesn't have a free version, but offers tiered pricing based on your needs. Depending on the size of your company and how many features you need, Esticom might end up being more expensive. But if accurate, scalable estimates are what you're after, the price could very well be justified. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Both Fieldwire and Esticom are solid choices for managing projects and handling takeoff, but if you're specifically looking for estimating and takeoff software with ease of use, scalability, and better integrations, there's another option I've tried that does all of this and more. If you're looking for the best alternative for estimating and takeoff, I highly recommend checking out the first link in the description. You'll get access to a free trial with exclusive benefits that you can only get through this link. So, while Fieldwire and Esticom are both great tools in their own right, after testing all of them myself, I can confidently say that the alternative I'm recommending will save you time and money. Make sure to take advantage of the free trial and start exploring the better option for your estimating and takeoff needs today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.